Hi, my name is Julia Mayberry, and I will be demonstrating my fraction game that I will be playing with students. So first, I have dominoes over here. I don't have dominoes at my house right now, unfortunately. So I made some on my own. I have my multiplication sign, my equal sign, and over here, this is where we will record our answers. So let's go ahead and get going. First fraction we will be multiplying is 2/3 times 1/5. So students will go across and do 2 times 1 is 2. Then they will record it over here. Let's see, sorry, it's a little wiggly. And then 3 times 5 is 15, and they will record that below. They will take a look at their fraction, ask themselves, can I reduce this? They will say no because it cannot be reduced, and they have their recorded answer now. So they will take their dominoes, move them to the side, or recycle them depending on how long we will be doing this exercise, and move on to the next. So their next fraction we have is 4/4 times 1/2. So they will go across. 1 times 4 is 4. And 2 times 4 is 8. So they have 4/8. They will ask themselves, can this be reduced? And yes, it can. 4 goes into 4 one time, and 4 goes into 8 two times. So now they have 1/2 as their final answer. And students can keep going through this game, recording their answers on a separate piece of paper or on these domino papers that I made, and run through a lot of equations, multiplying. This can be changed out to a division sign, an addition sign, a subtraction sign, anything like that. So thank you so much for watching.